this video because this is a holiday house decor tour. I am going to take you through the house that I grew up in and show you all the Christmas holiday things. This is my absolute favorite time of year, hands down, for so many reasons. I think there's nothing more nostalgic and just warm and cozy than getting ready for the holidays and being with family and putting up the lights and getting ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas and Hanukkah or whatever holidays you celebrate. And yeah, I just wanted to show you some of what makes the holiday special for me. So I'm going to show you my Christmas trees and the lights and things like that, and I just hope you enjoy it and it gives you all the cozy vibes. I hope that you enjoy it so much, and if this sounds like something you want to see, you're in the right place. Keep on watching.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew.
All right, my friends, well, that wraps it up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you are enjoying the holiday season and that you're able to feel cozy and snuggled if you're up north, and if you're down south, you can pretend that it's cold and wear sweatshirts. But I do hope that you're having a really happy holiday season. Also, I have to show you this sweatshirt. This is my mom's and I just borrowed it. But I love it so much. It's so cozy. And if you are decorating for the holiday season, or maybe you're about to start, I'd love to know what some of your traditions are and your favorite part of decorating for the holidays. I love it. I love this whole season. So I would love to read a little bit about what you're doing in the comments below. And if you liked this video, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, ring the little bell, and follow me on Instagram at mojoandgo or on Facebook at jessinmanfit. I love you so much. I hope you're having an awesome night, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.